This is a camcorder, and this is dual infrared light, and this is a microphone. The camera have a built-in infrared light, but only can see through 5 meters with narrow view. But Android can provide me wide field of view with 30 to 40 meters. But microphone, it can sensitive with a lighter sound, so I can hear through ghost, bro. The camera have a built-in infrared flashlight. It can see clearly through the smaller room. It was really good. But if I just go to my brother's room, he scared me. But this is the bigger house, grandma house, but the view is kind of narrow.
Alright, now I'm gonna go up the hill. That was really dark, so I opened the infrared light. Narrow view, short range observation, functional really as shit. Very doo-doo.
Honestly, when I was first told to invest in infrared light for our night vision camera, I didn't realize how much of a difference it would truly make. I'm curious what it is.
IR. Sorry, this is the night vision without the IR light on.
That was really dark, same as me. Woo! That was good.
With the night vision or with the IR light on.
It's see really clear and far. I guess I can just go hunting, go paranormal hunting. Is even better to have a nerve war on them. That looks really good. I feel feelers. Wow, this function is really good. I want it now.
Okay, after that, I'm gonna turn on, and I'm slowly turn on the infrared light. Yes! That functional is really good. I can even zoom right here. That was nuts and crazy. I can tactical walks and shooting a nerve wire with my camera really easily. It's no longer doo-doo anymore.
正道的光照在了大地上。
This is a infrared night vision binocular, was perfect for beginners, and the beginner function was nuts and crazy. The infrared night vision binoculars was really clear in the day and even have a HD full color mode in the night. All black environment can be converted into infrared mode. That was really good. That was so good. This place is literally low light, so I'm using the night vision binocular Go. Ooh, that function was insanely good. And even the detail was insanely clear. The car and the detail, that's so good, bro. Next place is the low light environment. This place is literally really good, bro. Was nuts and crazy. Okay, that place is initially nearly total darkness, so I opened the infrared mode. Because there's a light over here, so that is really good, but the light is kind of strong for the night vision binocular. And there's a trees over here. That was so good. That detail is really nice. This place is actually in really weak light, but see, ooh, this function is way better than I ever expected. And even I observing right here is insanely good, bro. That is so good. The footage in the park in daytime, it was really good as the next detail is literally really good, bro. This, and there's a slide over here. And the next place, I can just observing the swing sets. This is actually works on daytime. So if I just observing with a full zoom, it functioned really good. This is what I saw at daytime, but in nighttime it was really good, even better. With low ambient light, there's a slide, and the park in nearly total darkness is insanely clear. But if I opening the nighttime mode and zoom, it is even stunning. This is a park in nighttime. It was insanely detailed. With the infrared mode, it actually observes really far distance. It was insanely clear in 60 to 120 meters in infrared level 1 only. That was literally insane. When it's nearly total darkness, open the infrared mode is actually good. And there's a running track. I just walking with my camcorder. The detail was really good at nighttime, so it's actually perfect for wildlife observation and observe and spying something that was really dangerous. This is a footage in the town park that was insanely clear, with a target lasers over here. With the infrared mode, the park is literally even clearer because the range is like 50 to 100 meters away. With a night vision scope, it was literally good, bro. Look at the water pond right here. And there's a town park symbol. This place is the city, but it is insanely low light. But the detail is extremely stunning with my night vision binocular camera. With the infrared level 5, it is literally clear with 30 frames per second, and there's a little bit of haze over here, and I'm observing right here. That was insanely clear. Okay, this place is actually same, but if I just using an infrared level 1 only, because this is a low ambient light, it can literally see clear in 200 to 300 meters. In the maximum detection range, it can be up to 375 meters away. That was crazy. But oops. But this place is the furthest to observation with 10 times digital zoom. And there's a house over here. That distance is go up to 3 kilometers away. That was nuts.